Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a website to your X account in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the home menu, but from here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on profile. Here in profile, in the top right corner, we have edit profile. We tap on this, and then if we scroll down a bit, we find the website option. If we tap on this, then we can just enter the URL of the website that we want our account to be linked to, and then this is going to appear below our name. After we have added our website, we can just tap on save in the top right corner, and then the website is going to be seen under our bio. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.